I'm in hiding and I need to get out of the country. I have landed. Nobody knows where I am. Let's keep it that way. As you can see, I found a castle and also an old Eastern European man to be my sort of guide through this country. Say something, please. There you go. He doesn't speak one lick of English, so I'm safe here. Nobody's gonna give away my place, so now let's get into the video. Since I'm back in good old Eastern Europe, I thought it would be fun to draw some communist-style furniture. But before I go any further, let me just say that I only have my iPad with me, so videos are going to be a bit simpler. In this case, I took the time-lapse video that Procreate makes when you do your drawings. I hope you don't mind this solution while I'm on vacation. Okay, returning to the Soviet furniture, which technically is mid-century modern furniture, well, at least what I think that applies as Soviet furniture. I did grow up in the late 80s, early 90s, and due to communism, people here like to say that we were around 50 years behind all the other countries, or at least the West, so it's fitting that the mid-century modern style was still raging here when I was born. While I do despise most everything with a passion related to communism, for some reason this type of furniture started to grow on me more and more in the last couple of years. If you happen to take the video back where I started sketching, you will see the first piece of furniture is actually a modern piece that we bought to replace the second furniture that I drew, which was our bed sheets and all sorts of bed covers holder for my whole life until just a couple of years ago when we bought this new one. I didn't really have a plan for these sketches, as most of the time I like to explore furniture pieces that pop into my head, but also get inspired by bits and pieces I see on Pinterest or just based on a Google search. Funnily enough, in this set of sketches I ended up focusing on a modern piece of not even furniture, but the stand of our TV. That stand inspired the X shape for the legs of the table, and then I wanted to create a furniture piece that fits in that sort of family, so I took the X, stretched it a bit, and made it a leg for an armchair. In the beginning, I actually wanted to make the X frame out of metal because I really like the metal and wooden sort of furniture combinations. You probably saw a couple of those examples, but I did want to stick more with the mid-century modern style here, so I kept it wood, and I thought, okay, let's just make it a darker wood. And for the couch, I decided to go with an extremely ugly color and pattern, just because that reminds me of my communist childhood. Actually, we did have some pretty similar armchairs in the house, not with an X frame for the arm rest area, but at least the armrest was similarly tilted, and the fabric, while not yellow, but it was a dark red, and it was still quite ugly with an ugly pattern. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this short video. I thought it would be cool to make an Ask Me Anything video for next Monday or one of the next videos. It would be much easier for me to do a video like that, but it might also be fun for you guys to have an AMA style video where you can ask me anything you want. So yeah, put those questions you have in the comment section below, and next week or the one after, I'll try and turn those into a fun AMA video. I hope you still enjoyed this shorter, simpler video. Hit that like or dislike button based on how you feel inside of your heart. Leave me a comment if you want to complain about how stupid my intros are. Check out the links in the description if you want to support me or join our Discord. And as always, the most important part is that you folks have a great time, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!